There you go, guys. A lot of people ask me what I do when it's been raining, so I'm going to be doing a bit of BFS fishing today. Got my little atomic crank on there, but that's all you really need. Got my little BFS set up. Gonna be traversing through some creeks around the back of my house. Kind of hard to punch your lure where you want it. But when you can get it there, I'm hoping I can get one. There we go. How cool is that? This is almost the same size as the one in my tank. Look at that. Such an awesome fish. That's an Australian bass right there on BFS light gear. Good fun. Already, mate. It's been like a week of no fish, so I'll take anything. As you can see, the water clarity is pretty much how it normally should be. Like, very similar. Got another hit. That was a big hit. How good's that though? We got a bass so far. Friends. Another nice little one. Look at him go. That's a bass. Oh, holy shit. He fought. Holy shit. Nice little bass on the atomic. Great little day. Nice little BFS bass. Nothing beats these things in tight little creek sections, man. Absolutely gulped it up. There he is. Smacked it. Little bassy. Oh. Something. Poor bloke. The fuck? Look at that. I've come across a few of these. Look at him. Lost his nose. Oh. See if I can get him to just... Yeah, that was a good release. Fortunately. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Shit, why are they fighting like a bucket of bricks today? Oh. Jesus. Someone's had a go at him. Look at that top fin. Great little bass. He fought double his size. That's why I like the summer bass right there. Holy shit. After casting for like 30 minutes, I finally got this tiny little bass. He fought like a little dog, but eh? What a nice little specimen of a bass, eh? Like, they're just so beautiful. Beautiful little fish. Little soot burger on the Imakatsu. Fucking mad explosion, cunt. It's fucking awesome. I love these fucking evening bites. Nice soot. Nice soot. Caught him in this muck on the top. Mad shit. Top water bite's insane at the moment. Catching it in this muck. Look at that shit. They don't even see me on the Vazelle. Great little bass. As I was just talking, this dog just fucking popped a hole in the fucking inflatable. Little dog. That was
Another nice little bass slurped off the top in the cat's there.
This is the MOLIX model, the MOLIX chatterbait bladed jig, and I've got a baby goat in white rigged up on there. Great little realistic.
It's got a donkey on the chatterbait after fishing for like an hour. Treacherous. Fought like an absolute dog. Look at the head on that thing. Look at him. Cruising off.
What's that? That's a chunky bass. Chunky dog.
Poor buddy. Mutated bass. Still fight as hard. Look at that thing. That thing's going to look like a weird fish when he goes up.
Oh, that was a nice eat. Can't believe I missed that. Nice bass. It's not too bad today, eh? Fucking couple bass firing. Very, very nice.
3 bass on the board. Nice little bass on the trawl. I got that guy on.